Hey everyone, one of the influencer marketing agencies came to us and they showed us their invoice workflow, which is pretty manual, right? So every single month they keep getting a lot of invoices, and this is what their flow looks like. They have around 20 folks who interact on a regular basis with influencers. So they receive invoices either through WhatsApp, Gmail, or other means like through forms, and then they quickly check for price and other details, and if there are no errors they go ahead and upload it to a Google Drive folder, and then they manually read through the invoice, copy paste each detail like name, tax details, price, phone number, email, all of those information into a Google sheet, right? And the finance team will then review these invoices, and if there are no errors, again they process the payment. At any point if there are errors, they go ahead and ask the influencer to resend the invoice. So this is what the manual invoice flow was looking like. And we did some simple math to show what's really happening under the hood, right? So let's say there are 20 people working on these influencers, and if each person is receiving at least 150 invoices per month, that is a total of 36,000 invoices per year, right? And the average time that the person takes to actually upload the invoice onto Google Drive and review all those details and put it onto the Google Sheet is 4 minutes. A very safe assumption. And calculated that for a year is somewhere around 2,400 hours. At an average hourly rate of $50 per hour, the company is losing $120,000 just because of this manual workflow, right? Look how crazy that is. It's almost a really good salary package for a really good A player to be hired into the team. So this is what we kind of built for them to show what the flow would look like, right? Whenever the team member receives invoices on WhatsApp, Gmail, or other means, they quickly check, which is their usual. So if there are no errors, they just need to go ahead and share these invoices with a WhatsApp bot or a Gmail ID. That is where the manual workflow ends. And behind the automation, what's happening is the agents are taking care of verifying tax and legal details, and it automatically uploads these invoices onto a Google Drive. It automatically populates these verified details onto the Google Sheet that they're maintaining. And if there's any wrong tax or legal info while verifying these invoice details, it's immediately being notified to the owner of the invoice. So now invoice flow within the organization becomes a breeze because the automation gives you a record of how many hours are saved and how much money have you saved by automating this process. There's a massive difference between the manual workflow and that being automated with AI agents and AI workflows.